Did I hear correctly? Did it really happen? Was it simply done by writing down his name? Killing indirectly, pen and ink and paper. Writing is the gun, I only have to aim. Could this be the hour? Unimagined power, waiting to devour who I say. The hardest rains, the coldest winds are waiting for the hurricane. The human stains and all their sins blown away. The earth will shake, the sky will scream once they feel the power of the hurricane. Find a little justice, there's nowhere to run to once the name is penned. Take what fortune grants you, use it while you've got it. Once you have begun, you ride it to the end. Elegant solution, flawless execution, righteous retribution on the way. I'll bring the rain, I'll bring the wind. I am the mighty hurricane. The human stains and all their sins blown away. I bring the pain, so be afraid. I will bring the power of the hurricane. I am the god of a brave new world, much better than the last. The top of talking is finally the hardest rains, the coldest winds are waiting for the hurricane. The human stains and all their